Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to get amazing call offers on AirtelTigo so that you can call all networks at an affordable price. So first of all, just get your phone, get your phone. So get your phone and open the dialer and dial this code. So dial this code. And one thing about this thing is there are two methods that I'll be showing you guys. So for the first one, dial this code. Then select two fuse bundles. Fuse bundles. So you can select whether fuse voice only or fuse voice plus data. Let me select fuse only. So if you are in for voice call bundles only, then so if you are in for call bundles only, then select one, fuse voice only. So these are the packages in there. So you select the one that that's good for you, and that's it. That's how easy and simple is it. So for the second one, we'll be using the AirtelTigo special offer. That the USSD code *533# and select one, choose offer. Okay, so realizing here you have been given a lot of packages in here. So in here, the voice package that you can get in here, the code bundle that you can get in here is the unlimited all net calls for 2 cedis. So you can talk the whole day to all networks just for 2 cedis. And the Kasasa package, yeah, that's for 5 cedis. So select the one that you want, and that's it. So that's how easy and simple it is to get yourself some call bundles on AirtelTigo. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give a like, and also give a sweet comment. See you in the next video.